Good morning, everyone. This is Nico, your real estate professional with Keller Realty. Well, today is Sunday and it's just a gorgeous, beautiful day in sunny Naples and Southwest Florida. As you can see, really nice blue skies and just amazing. All right, so this video, I'm gonna do it live. Last time I did a video, was not live, and when I posted, it was backwards, so upside down. So yeah, so you know what, I think I'm just gonna go back to doing live videos. Easy, short, you know, I don't have to think twice and just post it, and you know. So here we go. So this is a new one of my new listings, coming soon video I'm doing today, Sunday. Beautiful day, by the way. This awesome house, which I'm gonna show you just in a little bit. There we go, look at that, just gorgeous. Really nice, beautiful community, Valencia Lakes. The address for this house is 2918 Inlet Cove Lane East, and in Valencia Lakes. Really nice, amazing community, really low HOAs, great amenities. You have a resort style pool with a gym, a really common room, you know, where you can host your parties. Just really amazing. I see some people checking in. So yeah, brand new listing, guys. It's gonna come on the market next week. We're actually taking some photos with Context Media. Kudos to them, Brian and Courtney and Nathan, for helping me with this. And so 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, nearly of 1,900 feet of living space. And hopefully you can see it. It's pretty sunny, so I don't know if you can actually see the house there. And a just gorgeous house, guys. It has the family room, a formal dining, formal living, and 4 bedrooms. Master walk-in closet, 2 sinks, vanities, and the whole thing. Really amazing curb appeal, by the way, guys. As you can see, tile roof, newer construction, and this is the best part. It's actually a corner lot, guys, if you can appreciate that. It's right on the corner, so you have a lot of space. By the way, the backyard is fenced, so really nice, beautiful house. Price to sell is gonna be in the low 300s. Very competitive right now in today's market, so call me 239-404-5154 if you have any questions. Again, this is Nico, your real estate professional with Keller Realty, servicing Naples and all Southwest Florida. Have a blessed day. Enjoy Super Bowl. Remember, don't give up, don't quit, keep moving forward, and God bless you all. See you next time.